Good day everyone, this is Ms. Rashi and now we're going to have a new tutorial today. Paano ba mag-convert ng PDF, perfect PDF file in Microsoft Excel and Google Slides? Okay, if you want to learn more, keep on watching. So, if you are using an Excel, okay, so you have your file here. So all you have to do is select first, okay, or highlight first all the data that you need to convert into PDF. Okay, it is very important that you have to highlight it because as you can see, I have also other sheets in my Excel. If I will not highlight it and I will not emphasize the page or worksheet that I will be converting into PDF, what will happen is lahat ng worksheets nyo magko-convert into PDF. Eh what if isang page lang ang kailangan nyo i-convert? So you have to highlight it. Okay, then go to File and then Save As and then go to Browse. Okay, then make sure that you save it. Okay, save it as a summary sheet PDF. Okay, and then change the save as type to PDF. And then ito yung wag nyong kalilimutan. Go to options below and then change it to selection. Okay? Kasi pag active sheets, ang haba-haba ng active sheets ninyo. There are how many rows that does the active sheets have? So, dapat para hindi siya sobrang haba, you just have to select or choose the selection only. Okay, and then click OK, then save. Okay, so that's how you convert your Excel, okay, into a PDF file. So as you can see, I have only one page. Okay, now what if you want to convert also your Google Sheet naman into PDF? So now I have here my sheets in PDF, in Google Sheet. So the same strategy in Excel, you have to highlight. Okay, always remember you have to highlight the text that you need to convert. Okay, and then after that, you just have to go to File, Download PDF. Okay, now when you download it in PDF, okay, usually if you have a lot of worksheets in your Google Slides and you just need a specific area na gusto mong ma-PDF, you have to click the Set Custom Page Breaks. Okay? So that you can resize or you can move the breaks. Here, ayan, katulad nito, I have 2 pages. Okay? So, all I have to do is move it and then confirm breaks. Okay? So that when you convert it, the whole sheets na gusto mong ma-convert will be converted and exported into PDF. Okay? Just click export and then it will automatically download into PDF. Now, when you open it, automatic, okay, kung hanggang saan yung sinelect natin, yun lang ang mako-convert into PDF. Okay, so that's all. I hope you've learned. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Bye.